told him yesterday I saw him. I found him and said, hey, if you're not going to fly, let me buy that plane from you.
How come he doesn't fly it?
Well, he's still working. He's a
At the time of retirement, you start drawing, it dictates how much you're going to draw and how much money you can earn.
Yeah.
So if you retire at 62, for example,
that's a nice flying airplane right there.
yeah, I've never encountered anybody that had bad things to say about that model.
Preston's got mine. And I raked it one time, put it all back together. It flew just like brand new. I may talk to Barry again. I told him there were better planes to learn on now. He liked that one because I had one. I had him just about where he could fly, and I was bringing him in for his first landing, and depth, I had a depth problem. He hit a tree.
Oh no.
Didn't hurt the airplane, you know what I mean?
Didn't hurt his confidence.
Didn't hurt his ego.
That's what I was wondering, if it hurt his confidence level.
Oh yeah, it did. And we couldn't get back out together for, a long time. But like I said, I had him just ready to land. He was doing fine. And I thought, oh, we're 20 feet on this side of that tree. No, we were right in the center of it.
You let them old man eyes get to you.
Yeah.
That's what my problem is constantly.
Well, I've got the update. I've got cataract replacement lenses in there. Oh, that was perfect. Did you see that?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Huh?
I think I got it.
Yeah. It was really easy going. See if you can do another one like that. Nope.
Cut that grass, man.